Section 38. Persons concerned in criminal act may be guilty of different offences. Where several persons are engaged or concerned in the commission of a criminal act, they may be guilty of different offences by means of that act. Illustration. A attacks Z under such circumstances of grave provocation that his killing of Z would be only culpable homicide not amounting to murder. B. Having ill will towards Z and intending to kill him and not having been subjected to the provocation assists A in killing Z. Here, though A and B are both engaged in causing Z's death, B is guilty of murder and A is guilty only of a culpable homicide. Section 39. Voluntarily. A person is said to cause an effect voluntarily when he causes it by means whereby he intends to cause it or by means which at the time of employing those means he knew or had reasons to believe to be likely to cause it. Illustration. A sets fire by night to an inhabited house in a large town for the purpose of facilitating a robbery and thus cause the death of a person. Here, A may not have intended to cause death and may even be sorry that death has been caused by his act. Yet, if he knew that he was likely to cause death, he has caused death voluntarily. Section 40. Except in the chapters and sections mentioned in clause 2 and 3 of this section, the word offense denote a thing made punishable by this code in chapter 4, chapter 5a and in the following sections, namely section 64, 65, 66, 67, 71, 109, 110, 112, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 187, 194, 195, 203, 211, 213, 214, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 327, 328, 329, 330, 331, 330, 347, 348, 388, 389 and 445. The word offense denotes a thing punishable under this code or under any special or local law as hereinafter defined. And in sections 141, 176, 177, 201, 202, 212, 216 and 441, the word offense has the same meaning when the thing punishable under the special or local law is punishable under such law with imprisonment for a term of 6 months or upwards, whether with or without fine. Section 41. Special law. A special law is a law applicable to a particular subject. Section 42. Local law. A local law is a law applicable only to a particular part of India. Section 43. Illegal, legally bound to do. The word illegal is applicable to everything which is an offense or which is prohibited by law or which furnishes ground for a civil action. And a person is said to be legally bound to do whatever it is illegal in him to omit. Section 44. Injury. The word injury denotes any harm whatever illegally caused to any person in body, mind, reputation or property. Section 45. Life. The word life denotes the life of a human being unless the contrary appears from the context. Section 46. Death. The word death denotes the death of a human being unless the contrary appears from the context. Section 47. Animal. The word animal denotes any living creature other than a human being. Section 48. Vessel. The word vessel denotes anything made for the conveyance by water of human being or of property. Section 49. Year, month. Wherever the word year or the word month is used, it is to be understood that the year or the month is to be reckoned according to the British calendar. Section 50. Section. The word section denotes one of those portions of a chapter of this code which are distinguished by prefixed numerical figures. Section 51. Oath. The word oath includes a solemn affirmation substituted by law for an oath and any declaration required or authorized by law to be made before a public servant or to be used for the purpose of proof, whether in a court of justice or not. Section 52. Good faith. Nothing is said to be done or believed in good faith, which is done or believed without due care and attention. Harbor. Except in section 157 and in section 130, in the case in which the harbor is given by the wife or husband of the person harbored, the word harbor includes the supply of a person with shelter, food, drink, money, clothes, arms, ammunitions, or means of conveyance, or the assisting a person by any means, whether of the same kind as those enumerated in the section or not, to evade apprehension. That is the end of chapter 2. In the next video, let us see chapter 3.